everybody, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, my husband is working right next to me. He's digging a hole in the wall because it is so cold outside that like we're afraid our pipes are gonna freeze. So we have a pipe, like a water pipe right there, and he is trying to make the hole a little bit bigger to wrap the pipe so it doesn't freeze. So we have water because we are gonna get extremely cold weather in the next couple days. Tonight we're supposed to be getting a snowstorm. They said between 6 to 12 inches of snow all the way until tomorrow, so I most likely will not be doing a Walmart haul just because it's not worth it going into a snowstorm. So we'll see about that. It all depends on how the snow is and when it stops. But there's that, and then we are supposed to be getting like super cold weather coming up in the next couple days. So it is going to be bad. I'm glad I don't work on those days that they're going to be super cold. Ben's not going to go to school. It's just ridiculous. So he walked away once I started doing my video. I had to wait and wait and wait, and then I'm like, screw it. I'm filming it, but yeah. So you guys will see me kind of bundled up in a blanket. I am so cold right now. But as you guys are watching this, I will be heading to Milwaukee in a little bit to be going to a concert. I'm going to go see Panic at the Disco. I am so excited. I've loved Panic at the Disco since they first came out. Even though it's not like the true original band, I still love it. I'm a huge fan of Brandon Urie. He is one of my favorite celebrities. But yes, enough with me talking about this freaking cold weather. Let me show you guys what I did. Now, I did have some problems at the registers. Nothing at the registers, but after the registers, and I'll explain that to you guys for that. Funny thing is, as I was checking out, I was doing 3 different transactions because I wanted to do the register rewards. And there's this, I always go when the lines are dead. I'll kind of walk around and there's nobody there, and then I'll go up there. Then right when I get up to the lines, that's when everybody just shows up. It's like, come on. And I'm a person where I'll like, you can go, you can go, you can go. Hold on, my phone's going off. I just got an email from my son's school. So what happens, this lady's like, you must really like to coupon. I says, yeah. She's like, how much did you pay for that? I says, oh, I don't pay for this stuff. I says, you should never pay more than a quarter really for toothpaste. She's like, really? I says, no, if you pay more than a quarter, you're paying too much. She's like, yeah, I guess. And she was just like shocked at how much, you know, I paid, because I paid 36 cents. She's like, what? And I'm like, yeah. So it was kind of cool. But let me shut up and tell you guys what I got. So the first deal that you guys definitely want to do, you guys can do this deal as many times as you want, is the Crest deal. Now you guys can mix this up if you want. But we got the Crest toothpaste or the mouthwash. If you want to buy one toothpaste and one mouthwash, you guys can do that. You guys can do whatever you guys want to do. But these are $2.99. You guys use a $1 off coupon. Sorry, I have Ludens in my mouth. If you think I got something in my mouth, it's just to help me because I'm sick and my kid's sick. But you guys want to use 2 $1 off coupons for these. You guys would pay $3.98. Now, you are supposed to get a $4 register reward that prints off, but the machine didn't print it off. And I didn't say anything to the cashier because the cashier that I dealt with, she's a nice lady. She just doesn't know how to scan coupons. She doesn't know how to do this. I will go to her if I have to, but I don't like couponing through her register because she doesn't know what to do. She doesn't know what coupon to scan. She's not like all like reading it word for word. She just doesn't know what to do. And she knows that I know what I'm doing. She knows me. I'm there every single week. She knows me. But I'm like, I didn't even get involved. I'm like, I got out of line, or I got my stuff, and then I went out and found a store manager. The store manager knows me very well too. I says, hey, the registry rewards did not print off. I grabbed the ad. I says, this is what was supposed to print off. And she's like, okay. I says, if you want to give me points, I'm totally cool with that. So she's like, okay. So we went to the beauty counter, and she tried doing a transaction to see if the register rewards would print off there. It didn't. So I don't know if this is just my store that didn't print it off or something else. So make sure if you guys didn't get your register rewards, make sure your store is giving you points. Or what you can do is mail your stuff to the Catalina company, but I'm fine with just taking points. I'm totally cool with getting just points. So you guys are supposed to get a $4 register reward, making these free or like a 2-cent moneymaker. Now this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and still get the register reward. You guys would definitely do that. So it's up to you, but I did it in 2 separate transactions just because I wanted to get the registry reward, but it didn't print off. So she ended up giving me 8,000 points for both of those transactions. So there is that. I was going to do the Olay makeup remover, but when I scanned it in the app, it just showed that it was buy one, get one 50% off. It didn't show the 4 off of 2 coupon that is in the Walgreens booklet. And that means if it didn't come off, if it didn't show up on the website, it wouldn't have came off at the registers. So I decided not to do it. I might go back and do that deal again, but right now I'm just going to kind of skip it because I'm like, I didn't want to deal with the headache at the registers, so I did that. I got something different this time. I got the Nice brand bags. I got so much Ziplocs, I don't need it, but I thought, you guys love it how I say bags. Bags. But I ended up getting the Nice brand trash bags. These were $2.79. They're buy one, get 2 free. So I thought I'd get this. The little ones, I thought I could put them in my small garbage bins. And the big ones, I actually want to start putting my wreaths in to start wrapping that stuff up, getting it all ready to go. But you guys would get all 3 of these for $2.79. That comes out to be 93 cents a piece, which is a pretty decent deal. So definitely wanted to share with you guys on that in case you guys needed garbage bags. So, and I think the bigger ones was included. I can't remember, and I think Ziplocs were, the Ziploc brand of Walgreens was included, but I did get CoverGirl mascara. Now this was $6.29. You guys want to use 2 of those $2 off coupons that we either got today. There's some on coupons.com or the other older inserts. There's some other ones there. You guys would pay $8.58, but then you guys will get a $5 registry reward, which again mine didn't print, so she gave me 5,000 points. Comes out to be $3.58 or $1.79. Not the greatest deal, but hey, if you guys really want to get registry rewards, go for it. And this is a deal where you guys can pay with points if you want to do that deal too. So I did that. I'm really craving this cereal right now, so as I'm editing this video, I'm gonna eat some Cocoa Pebbles. So these were, I lost my spot, $1.99. Now we had $1 off a 2 coupon on coupons.com. I'm not sure if it's still available anymore. I don't remember. But you guys use that $1 off a 2 coupon. You guys would pay just $2.98 for this. This comes out to be like $1.50 a box, which is an okay deal. So I definitely wanted to get some cereal because I'm sick of eating Lucky Charms, even though I'll eat Lucky Charms any time of the day. I just wanted to do that. I wanted to get a couple other things, but my store was still putting tags up, and I was scanning stuff, and the prices online are sometimes different than at the store. So I'm like, so I may or may not do a second haul. It all depends on the weather. It all depends on what is going on. So we got that. And then I just wanted to show you guys just a simple deal in case you guys need some of this. This isn't the greatest deal, but hey, still wanted to share with you guys. This was $3.99. You guys want to use those $2 off coupons that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would just get this for $1.99. So that's a pretty good deal. I used Finish the jet dry stuff like crazy in my dishwasher. My dishwasher just eats it up. So that is that. So that was my haul. It wasn't the greatest haul, but hey, I still got to show you guys some stuff. I'm hoping it picks up again later on. January has been a pretty decent month for hauls, so we got that. I'm really crossing my fingers that they change the point system. I cannot do any of those surveys because I get the employee discount, so it doesn't give me that survey to call the number on the bottom. So definitely do those surveys and definitely keep complaining about changing points because there's 2 different ways I saw that they might be changing it. So let's just keep our fingers crossed that it happens, or at least let us redeem up to $20 instead of $5. So there's that. My total came to $18.72. Sorry, Benjamin's got pink eyes, so his eyes are all swollen.
And these might be goobers in my eyes.
He's got goobers in his eyes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, go away, honey. I don't want to get sick. Yeah, so we've been washing our hands like crazy. He's been taking baths like crazy, and just.
Guys, we got Elmo food corn.
Yeah, he's got some little tablets for the bathtub to do the bathtub. Okay. 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 So my total came to $18.72 with all 3 transactions combined. I was supposed to get $13 worth of register rewards. It was the 4, the 4, and the 5. Yep. Throw that away, honey. That's gross. So that was like $13 that I was supposed to get. My final total came to $5.72. Not the greatest, but hey, $5 for all that stuff I think is a pretty good deal. I got 12 items. That comes out to be just 47 cents a piece. So I was pretty excited to share with you guys. Like I said, I may or may not do a second haul. It just depends on the weather. With this weather, I don't want to go outside. I don't want to bundle Ben up. I just don't want to go outside. I just want to just sit at home, which is a great thing because then I can get some stuff done around the house. So there is that. But yes, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this haul. I will see you guys later. And thanks for watching again. Bye-bye.